Hey y'all, John Cooke.
And Mike Pridmore with Utility Service Agency. Do you have problems on your distribution underground systems with fiberglass box pads having damage from either lawnmowers or weed eaters or other mechanical equipment out on your system? This can pose both a safety and reliability concern.
American Polywater's pad and pole has a solution for you. Everything you need comes safely in this kit so you can fix this problem while it's still energized.
We're gonna go time lapse. This repair will take about 10 minutes and we'll show you a before and after photo when we're done. Thanks. There you have it, guys. Our repair is complete with American Polywater's pad and pole product. You'll notice that our tube sealant is resealable. We've got extra mixing nozzles and extra brushes. Those can be taken to the next repair project. At this point in time, the sealant repair solution glue is still wet. We can paint over that with green paint.
About 2 years ago, we did a similar project here, and you can see that's a pretty good solution. Give your utility service agency rep a call for your American Polywater needs. Thank you now.